Okay guys, this is my first lesson for you guys online, so it may be sketchy, but anyway, today what you're going to do is you're not going to come to me. You're going to do this right off the math portal, and I'll give you instructions like that. In your folder you're going to have this. You're going to complete this lesson, you're going to show me your work. From here, that's probably going to be on here, because I gave you guys this to use, and turn it into me. Do not do page 674. No need. Tear out your homework, put it in your folder. Now right now we're going to go over a couple of things, reminders. Not really reminders, but this is something a little bit new. We're working backwards. So it's the same function that we did before. You're starting at the finish time, and you're going to see this in Zern as well, so this is kind of helpful. Some of you already have. So we're going to problem solve, same problem solving model, but we're going to work backwards. So Billy's picnic starts at 6:15 p.m. He needs to bake 3 dozen cookies. It takes 10 minutes to bake a dozen cookies, and 20 minutes to get ready, and 15 minutes to walk there. So we have to account for all these things, stepping backwards. So we know these things, and the things that we know are what time the picnic starts. Okay, so figure that. Picnic starts at 6:15. We know how long it takes to bake cookies and get ready and walk there. Okay. So we're going to solve the problem, make a plan, solve it backwards. So we know we have to be there at 6:15. So we're going to start with the obvious one. He needs to walk there. So get rid of that. How long does it take him to walk there? 15 minutes. So that's kind of easy because it takes us back to 6 o'clock. Okay, and then we're going to count for him getting ready. How long it takes him to get ready? 20 minutes. So mark that off. 20-minute jump from 6 will take us to 5:40 to get ready. Okay, now he's got to bake 3 dozen cookies. Now we're saying minus 30 because they just did it all in one. It takes him 10 minutes per dozen. So you're going to jump 10, 20, and 30 for baking all the cookies. So we've accounted for everything, and it turns out that he must begin the process at 5:10 p.m. Okay? Let's do one more and I'll turn you loose. Okay. It took Liam 80 minutes to complete a jigsaw puzzle. He finished at 2:40 p.m. What time did he start? Okay. Get out your handy dandy super number line. Again, we're going to work backwards. What do we know? That he finished at 2:40, so just set that as our time. Start. Everybody see that? So the first step, we have to figure out how many hours. It's easier. Unless you want to do it in minutes, you can, but it's kind of risky. So let's take for hours. Remember how we convert minutes to hours? Anything over 60, bust it out. 80 minus 60. Okay, we can convert that 62 of 1 hour and take it away from the 80. It's 20. So it took him 1 hour and 20 minutes to finish the puzzle. So let's start with the minutes and step back. 2:40 minus 20 minutes is going to take us to 2:20. Okay, now we've got rid of the minutes, just account for an hour. Take an hour from 2:20. And we end up with 1:20. So he finished the problem. He started the puzzle at 1:20 p.m. Now you could write it 1 hour, 20 minutes as well. Either way is fine with me. Okay, so now I'm going to have you do these 5 problems, and you can do them on the remaining parts of your front and back paper I gave you. Show me your work, make sure you're in a good place, and then you move on to Zern. Okay? Now afterwards we will do our presentations for Soul. Good job, guys. Fern, get your finger out of your nose.